Nope. I think we did it.
Hey everybody, here's some fun facts.
I think we really did it. I think we found the best deal on fly tying material that I've ever found. This could be the one. I'm not sure. There might be more out there. I'm sure there's more out there, but this is a seriously good deal. Let me just show you guys. You see this right here? This is about 4,000 flies worth of angel hair. It's amazing. So if you are a streamer fisherman, or you could make paragons, anytime you need flash, this is a phenomenal deal. This pack right here comes with 24 colors that are each 48 inches long. Wow, that's a lot. That's 24 times 4 feet. That's a lot. I'm not that good at math. And it's only like 10 or 15, I can't remember if it was 10 or 15 bucks, or right, we'll just call it under $20. And I'm not trying to be salesy, guys, but I just want to share deals with you guys when I find them. And this is, it's awesome. We're just gonna dump it out. You also get some tools. So check this out. You got your pinks, your purples. You got every single color you would ever want. Even supposed to be one in here that glows. Comes with some pliers that could be useful in fly tying. Look, you get a free bobbin threader. You know how you get those, you know how some bobbins are really long? For instance, my loon bobbin, I use this one because it's got a longer tube for tying bigger flies. Here's my Umpqua little bobbin threader, and here's the bobbin threader that comes with my Umpqua. It's never long enough to go through, so I can't thread through. I have to do suck the thread through the pipe. But it comes with this, and I was like, cool, man. This is long enough to go through pretty much any bobbin you're gonna use, and it just comes free with this kit. It also comes with a comb, so you guys can comb your hair, clip your nails or whatever. Where you tie flies, you gotta have clean nails, right? But that's going in the fly tying kit. Little bamboo fletima bobber. It's really fine angel hair. It's not the really coarse, like Flashaboo. They work great for like anything, for hoppers, beetles, beetle tails. It's just got a lot of uses, and there's 48 inches of each. That's folded in half, so that's 2 feet. I should make a streamer that big and go fish for sharks. They're all that long. It's just a good deal. I don't like to try to sell stuff, but I just want you guys to take part in this phenomenal deal I had to share. So I've got some new videos. I'm going to do a Wacky Fly Diary series where I'm going to be tying flies with some really gross and funny stuff. You guys might find it interesting, but that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, guys.